Hello, investors. It is June Collier, and today I'm going to talk real quick about stock splits. Now, there's a very popular company that has done a 3-for-1 stock split. That company is Tesla, and that went into effect yesterday after the market closed. So those of you who own Tesla stock, you will see that you have 3 times as many stocks of Tesla this morning as you did yesterday. All right. So today, for those of you, today is August 25th. It is Thursday, August 25th. So Tesla announced that they were doing this 3-for-1 stock split. It is now in effect. And so a lot of people want to know, what is a stock split? They get a little confused with it. If you've taken my stock class, complete beginners, you'll know that we covered stock splits in that course. And so let me just kind of give you a quick overview. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically when you do a stock split, you are increasing the number of outstanding shares by issuing more shares to the current shareholders. So I own 20 shares of Tesla. I was a current shareholder. Tesla decided to do a 3-for-1 stock split. So that meant that they were going to give me 3 shares of stock for every 1 share of stock that I own. So if I own 20 shares of stock, I now own 60 shares of stock. Okay? But that does not mean that I just made a whole gang of money, because the way that a stock split works is it's almost like, let me see, I got an example here. Let's just say that you have a $1 bill and I do a 4-for-1 stock split. You got one item, which is that dollar bill. But then I come along and I say, I'm going to do a 4-for-1. So now I'm going to give you 4 things for that one thing that you own. So you trade in your dollar bill and I give you 4 quarters. Those 4 quarters are worth 25 cents each. You have 4 items, but the value of those 4 items is the same value of that one thing, right? And so why do we do a stock split if the value stays the same? The reason why they do the stock split is because it becomes more affordable for other individuals to come in to start buying 1 share of stock. So for example, Tesla has been over $1,000 a share. Many people felt like, I don't want to spend $1,000 for 1 share of stock. So now that Tesla is a whole lot less than $1,000 a share, it might encourage more people to start buying Tesla. That's sort of the common explanation, if you will, to why stock splits. There's other explanations, but it just makes it more attractive for individuals to purchase. So let me share with you a screenshot of a video that I did a few days ago. And in this video, you will see that at that time I had 20 shares of Tesla. And on that particular day, whenever I did this screenshot, Tesla was trading at $865. All right, $865. So let's go ahead and go back and take a look at where Tesla is today and how much I own of Tesla today. This was just a few days ago. All right, so we are in my E-Trade portfolio here, and you will see that here's Tesla. You'll see that I now have 60 shares of Tesla, and Tesla at this point is trading at $294. All right, so I have a whole lot more shares, 3 times as many shares, but the price has dropped by a third. Okay, so let's prove that. So let's pull out our notepad. You guys know I love to do notepad because I love showing math and just really showing you what it looks like. So at the time I had Tesla, TSLA, and I owned 20 shares of that. And 20 shares at that time, let's go back to that video, was trading at $865. So we'll just say $8.65. Now, Tesla does a 3-for-1 stock split. That means that they're going to give me 3 for every share that I have. So 20 times 3 equals 60 shares. And that's what you see me having here. I got 60 shares now. Okay. However, I don't have 60 shares at $865. You also have to split that $865. So we take that $865 and we're going to divide it by 3. And so if I pull out my calculator, and I take 865 divided by 3, that gives me $288.33. So we'll just say 288. Okay? And that was when I was looking at the price of the stock a few days ago. So let's take a comparison. 288 is now at 294, so we are roughly in the same place because the market obviously fluctuates. But that sort of shows you that the money or the value didn't necessarily change. It just meant that I got more shares and the price per share was lowered by a third. I got 3 times as many shares, but the price was lowered by a third. Okay? And so, again, companies will do this because Tesla is more attractive to buy at $294 a share than it is at $865 or $900 or even $1,000 a share. So they've made it more attractive, so more people might go in and purchase a couple of shares of Tesla now that it's at $294 a share. Okay? The capitalization of the company did not change. The capitalization remained the same. And again, if you are confused on capitalization, we do that in our stock class, and you can see, I think I talk about capitalization here on this particular, the overall value of the company does not change, okay? And so you learn those types of things in our stock class for complete beginners. I'm not selling that. We're not even doing the stock class right now, but I wanted to share that information with you. So, big news in the market today, the Tesla stock split 3-for-1. We'll see what happens to Tesla, how it fares from this 3-for-1 stock split. But I wanted to just make sure that you understood when they say stock split, what that actually means. This is June Collier signing out. God bless, take care, and we'll see you again soon.